Hello, if you're watching this video, I want to welcome you to Auto Glass Express. Welcome to the team. Welcome to this great operation that we're running here. This video is going to show you how to use Omega. Omega is our CRM. This is where we keep all the data, all the invoices, all the quotes, the schedule, payment, parts purchase. Is basically the brain of the operations. This first video is going to show you how to create a quote. We're going to go over all of these options here. Yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do to create a quote is to click on new job. From here you're gonna select your location, so either if you're working in Chantilly, Alexandria, or any other future stores that we might open. So for this example we're gonna use Chantilly. After that I'm gonna go down here to the vehicle section. I'm gonna click on next lookup. After that I'm gonna select the vehicle that I'm working with. Let's say this is a 2015 Honda Accord 4-door, and this is what we select if we need a windshield, one of the side windows, or the back glass. For this example we're going to be using a windshield. So after you select the part, you click on search and it will give you all the options for this vehicle. As you can see, this one has a plain windshield. It also has a windshield with the lane departure warning system, a windshield with the electronic mirror. For this example we're going to be using just a plain windshield, part number 3647. In order to add this to the quote, we're going to click on this plus sign here. Everything that you check here is going to be added to the quote. The system automatically auto-populates what you need, right? So you're going to need the windshield, is this. The second line is going to be your labor. Your third line is going to be your glue, urethane, and primer, and an additional molding here. So once we click on add to invoice, this is going to be our quote right here. It automatically creates a quote for you. In this case the quote is $356 for this customer. Now how does it do that? The system is set up so that it marks up 20% increase from a PGW price, right? So let's say the price for this windshield is $128. If I want to know how much the windshield is somewhere else, I'll click here and order, and then this will show me how much other places are charging. So PGW wants $107 for this glass. However, Migrant wants $85 for this glass, and Pilkington $97 for this glass, right? So if I'm doing this quote, I'm gonna change that number to a better price because I found the glass for cheaper, so it's $85. So I can either change this to, let's say, $120, right? The glass cost me $85. I want to make a little bit of money on the glass, so $120. My labor is going to be $180. That's a preset here. If you feel like this vehicle is going to take more time, feel free to change this number. we're charging $20 for the glue and $17 for this molding. Now sometimes this number here is crazy high. It could be $50, $100 for a molding, and I know that some of these moldings we can either reuse or we can get it for cheaper. So if you want to take this part out here or discount it to, let's say, I don't know, $5, make that $5. If you want to take it out, click on the right side and remove the part. At this point, this is your new quote, $328. This is your taxes. If you want to remove taxes, you click right here and zero that out, right? We're going to do 0, 0, and that's it. But for this example, we're going to keep taxes in. It automatically calculates it. Now this is a quote. Customer called me and he just needs a quote. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to say the customer name. We're going to use Joe as an example, and phone number is going to be, let's say it's my phone number, 703-200-9247. That's all I need to save a quote. After that, I need to go down here and click on Save Job. That's going to save my job. Now, if I click here where it says Jobs, the first option is the quote I just saved. Right? So we're going to keep using this quote for the rest of the tutorial. Yeah, that's it. Simple. This is where we finish the quote.